Hi and welcome to the Beae website builder. In this video, I will tell you about the attributes feature in the Beae website builder. So it's an amazing feature and I'll show you exactly how it works. So as soon as you guys come onto the Beae website builder, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. So on the left side, you guys have the option for attributes. If I were to simply drag it and drop it over here, then you guys are going to be seeing all the options that you guys have in the attribute section. So on the right side, you guys can modify all of these options. So basically you have the main attributes and you guys can delete these attributes if you want to, or you guys can add in more attributes if you guys want to, depending upon what you want to add. And then below that, you can even change up the text of any one of these attributes to be whatever you want. You can change the text for vendor to be author. You can change the text for SKU to be QTY, depending upon what options you want. What is your website about? Of course it's gonna be very custom, but you guys do have the option for that. You can also change up the tags text as well, and then below that you can even change up the collections text as well. And then up top you even have the option for the style as well. So you guys can change up the text color, the typography style. You guys can have it be anything else. You guys can customize the font, the size, the weight. You guys can even transform it. You can change the style. You can even change the decoration as well to basically underline, overline, line through, or to just be nothing. And then below that you have the option to increase the line height and also the letter spacing as well. Now below that you also have the option for text shadow as well. This in my opinion looks really cool if you guys were to use this. And then of course you guys can increase the spacing or decrease the spacing as well between the letters or the words. Then you have the option to change up the text color, the typography, the link color, the link hover color, and also the text shadow for the attribute itself. So guys, this is the attributes feature on the Beae website builder. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.